To take the flywheel off, first we're going to have to take this plate off. It has 3 screws here. Remove this plate, and then we'll loosen this nut, this main nut here that's tied to the crankshaft. This is a 3/4 inch wrench. If you're just needing to check your points, that cover here covers this hole, and you can rotate your flywheel to where you can see your points and then check the gap. There's also a label here, set points to 0.02 inches. That's 20 thousandths of an inch gap. Now we'll take our 3/4 inch wrench and bust this loose. Next, we're going to take our flywheel puller here. Basically, it's pretty straightforward how to use it. You have this threaded shaft. You want the flat side up, and you set this part down on top of the crankshaft, and then align your screws, tighten them in. Now the trick to all this is getting everything nice and flush and level, so you pull it straight up and not at some cattywampus angle. So just take your time and make sure you get it flush and straight up. It's a 5/8 inch, and you want to just jack that center screw up and slowly, and it should pop right off. There we go. Now you can just lift up, take the flywheel off, inspect for any damage. Thing looks pretty good.